Hello everyone, welcome to LSTC. This is Bapi Sarkar. Over the past few decades, computer-based technology has become indispensable in most offices. Along with the proliferation of the technology, concern about healthy, safe and comfortable use of computers has emerged. Symptoms: muscular discomfort, pain, aching, loss of coordination, numbness and stiffness. Eye strain, headache, dizziness and nausea. Preventive ergonomic guidelines. Monitor configuration. The monitor should be arm length away from you while seated. The toolbar at the top of the screen should fall just below eye level. This allows the user to view the screen without causing neck strain from repetitive moving. Keyboard and mouse configuration. The keyboard should be set to a height so your forearms are parallel to the floor and make a 90° to 110° angle with the upper arm. This should allow you to freely type without resting your wrist on any hard or soft surface. Most decks requires an adjustable keyboard tray to accomplish this. The mouse should be located on the same plane as the keyboard. Determine which mouse causes the least strain on your wrist. Chair configuration. The seat fan should leave roughly a 2 to 3 fingers space between the end of the seat and back of your legs. The chair should be at a height that allows you to place your feet flat on the floor with your thigh perpendicular to your lower legs. The lumbar support on the chair should counter and rest against the small of your back. The backrest should be at a 90° to 110° angle when typing. Preventive exercise. Get up and walk around to stretch your legs for a few minutes on an as-needed basis. Stretch wrist, arm and back periodically while at your workstation. So guys, this is all that you have for today. If you find this video informative, do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.